Hello English learners, welcome back to my channel TAL English. Today we are going to answer one of the most common and important questions I hear all the time. How can reading actually help you speak English better? Yes, reading is an essential skill. Everyone around you says, read more, read books. Reading is very important, and they are right. Reading can help you in your career, in your studies, in your personal life. And of course, it helps you improve your English. You learn new vocabulary, you see correct grammar, and you understand how English really works. But here is the problem. Many people read a lot of books. Some even set goals like reading 10 or 20 books a year. They finish those books, but when it's time to speak, they still don't feel confident. Their speaking is still not fluent. So the question is, why? The problem is not reading itself. The problem is how we use reading. Many learners read to learn English, but their real goal is to speak English. And if you don't know how to convert what you read into speaking, reading alone is not enough. So today I'm going to show you how to build a bridge between reading and speaking, how to transform what you read into real English that you can actually use in your daily life. We already know that reading is great for vocabulary, grammar, and understanding, but in this video, we are focusing on reading for speaking. Today, I'll share with you 3 powerful steps that will help you use reading in the right way so you can speak English more confidently and more fluently. Before we begin, choose the right book. This step is extremely important. If you choose the wrong book, you will lose the benefits of reading. Your book should not be too easy and it should not be too difficult. If the book is too easy, you won't learn anything new. No new vocabulary, no new expressions, no progress. But if the book is too difficult, you'll struggle with every sentence. You'll stop every 2 words to use a dictionary. You'll feel frustrated and you won't enjoy reading. And if you don't understand the text, you can't use it for speaking. So the right book should be comprehensible. You should understand most of it. You should enjoy reading. But at the same time, you should meet some new words and expressions that help you grow. Another very important tip, choose a book you love. Don't read just to learn vocabulary, read because you are interested in the topic. If you love travel, read books or articles about travel. If you love business, self-development, psychology, or stories, choose that. When you are emotionally connected to what you read, you remember more and you use it more naturally in conversation. Let's get started by the step number 1. Read with the audiobook. The first step is to combine reading and listening. Read the book while listening to the audiobook or listen to the audiobook first, then read. This helps you understand the main idea better, improve your listening skills, learn correct pronunciation and rhythm. You are training 2 skills at the same time, reading and listening. And this combination prepares your brain for speaking. When you hear how native speakers pronounce words and sentences, you start noticing how English really sounds, not just how it looks on the page. Let's move now to step number 2. Read out loud. You've probably heard this advice before. Read out loud to improve your pronunciation. And yes, it works, but only if you do it correctly. Don't read long pages out loud without thinking. Instead, follow these steps. Choose a small paragraph, 3 or 5 sentences. Read it out loud. When you find difficult words, underline them. Check their meaning. Listen to their pronunciation. Repeat the words using shadowing. listen and repeat at the same time. This method helps you improve pronunciation, build confidence, learn vocabulary actively. Small paragraphs are better than long ones because you stay focused and don't feel overwhelmed. Step number 3. Read multiple texts on the same topic. This step is a game changer. Instead of reading about many different topics, focus on one topic at a time. For example, this month for travel, next month for business, after that self-development. Read books, articles, or stories about the same topic. Why does this help? Because the vocabulary repeats, the expressions repeat, the context becomes familiar. And when vocabulary repeats, it becomes easy to use in speaking. After some time, you'll notice that you can talk about that topic more naturally and confidently. And finally, activate what you read. Reading alone is not enough. You need to use what you learn. Take a sentence from the book. Use it in your own life. Say it out loud. Practice it in conversations. This is how you turn input reading into output speaking. Reading and listening are inputs, and speaking and writing are outputs. Today, you'll learn how to connect reading directly to speaking. Try these 3 steps. Practice regularly and make an emotional connection with what you read. That's how English becomes natural, and that's how you start speaking with confidence. That's it for today. I hope this video helps you. See you in the next one.